to show you how to frame an art print with a mat. Now you can use this method with any type of frame or mat that you purchase, but what I would suggest is get a frame that comes with a mat. It's going to be so much easier because you're not going to have to cut the mat yourself. So this is an 8x10 size print, and that's what we are going to be matting and framing today. When looking at your mat, you'll notice that one side here has a bevel. You want to place this beveled side up. Next, line your artwork up in here. I like to do this with the artwork face up, so that way you can see where you're lining it up. Because most of the mats that you get pre-cut will be cut a 1/2 inch smaller than the size. So if it's an 8x10, the mat will be cut 7.5 by 9.5. So you can see there's a little play in here to where it will actually be showing. And so you want to make sure that wherever your signature is of the artist, that it's still showing well and that it's not cutting off any of the main pieces. Like you don't want to frame it down here where it would be not showing all the ears, or maybe even like this where you're seeing part of the white. That means that it's not lined up in there properly. So we have it lined up properly. Then what I like to do is kind of hold it down and then put my hand under here to brace it so that way I can hold my spot. And then go ahead and flip it over. Oops, and now we have a kitty friend. Come on, buddy, you can't be up here. And try to make sure your cat doesn't mess up what you've done so far. The next step is to secure your art print to the mat. I like to use this archival linen hinging tape. Links to this are in the description. If you don't have hinging tape or you're working on a project that you don't care if it's mounted in an archival way, you can just use any type of tape for this. But if you want your artwork to last a really long time while it's hanging up, not having the tape turn brittle or potentially turning the paper yellow, which could happen depending on the adhesive that's used in the tape, you're gonna wanna go with something archival like this, because this is an acrylic-based adhesive and it's meant to hold the work securely for many, many years once you frame it. It doesn't take a lot of tape, maybe about this much, like an inch, even 3/4 of an inch is enough. All you do is take one piece of tape and put it right in the middle of the top of the print. If there is a white area on the print like this one has, I go ahead and just only tape it over that white area, and then you want to press down fairly hard just to make sure that the adhesive sticks really well long term. Now we flip it over and make sure everything is still aligned, that nothing got bumped in the process of kitties or just flipping it over, and it all looks good. And so now we put it into the frame. We place it in the frame. You put the back on the frame and then just secure it in however way it secures. This has these little tabs to secure it, but every frame's a little bit different. So just put your back on the frame that you purchased. There it is. It looks awesome, all framed up, ready to hang on the wall. Next, if you'd like to learn to frame your print without a mat, I have a video tutorial for that as well. You can watch it here. All right, thank you so much for watching. I hope this helps. See you next time.